Welcome to Mini Yoga Adventure. Today we'll stretch and move with new easy poses. Let's start together. Extend one arm forward and gently pull back your fingers with the other hand. Feel the stretch in your wrist. Do this for 10 seconds. Sit cross-legged and slowly rotate your ankle. This helps your legs feel relaxed. Do this for 10 seconds. Stand tall. Hold your hands behind your back and open your chest. Take a deep breath. Do this for 10 seconds. Raise your arms and bend to the side slowly. Keep your body long and balanced. Do this for 10 seconds. Stand tall. Tap one foot forward, then switch sides. Keep your balance and smile. Do this for 10 seconds. Lift your knee up and hold it. Stay balanced and steady. Do this for 10 seconds. Sit comfortably and stretch your arms forward. Feel your back relax. Do this for 10 seconds. Place your hands on your hips and draw gentle circles. It's fun and relaxing. Do this for 10 seconds. On all fours, tap one shoulder with the opposite hand. Try not to wobble. Do this for 10 seconds. Sit cross-legged. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Feel calm and peaceful. Do this for 10 seconds. Great job! You finished your mini yoga adventure. Smile and feel proud.